Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this story to take your decision. Your work will motivate me to be regular and working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of silver futures in a monthly time frame first. So here you can see that how silver futures have been constantly facing stiff resistance at the levels of $30.367 when tested the last week during the month of February 2021, and since then we have seen a sharp selling pressure when the silver futures finally closed the month of February at the levels of $28.776. And here you can see that how this weakness can be seen in silver futures when the silver futures have finally tested the lows of $25.209 during the month of March and finally closed the week at the levels of $26.321. So friends, here you can find that the formation of a bullish hammer, whereas I will not call this a bullish hammer, but this steep reversal in silver futures in a monthly time frame looks evident enough for a sharp bouncing move continue in silver futures, where the immediate resistance will be seen at the levels of $27.879 and the next resistance will be at the levels of $28.776. So friends, here I find that during the upcoming week we'll have to see that how the silver futures start the upcoming week on the first trading session. So friends, now let us check this move in a weekly time frame. So here in a weekly time frame, here you can see that how silver futures finally found a base at the levels of $25 during the last week. Here you can see that how the silver futures have finally tested the lows of $24.924 during the first week of March 2021. Here you can see that how the silver futures tested the levels of $30, from where we have seen a sharp sell-off from these levels, and once again silver continued to face stiff resistance at the levels of $28 and finally started to move downward during the last week of February. And this steep downward move in a weekly time frame can be seen when the silver futures tested the levels of $25. So friends, here you can see that how the silver futures were not able to defend this immediate support of $26 and finally tested the bottom at the levels of $24.864, and since then we have seen a sharp upward move in silver futures when the silver futures finally tested the levels of $26.619 during the last week. But I find that this seems to be an immediate resistance for silver futures when the silver futures finally close the week at the levels of $26.321. Friends, now let us check this move in a daily time frame. So here in a daily time frame, here you can see that how the silver futures have been constantly facing stiff resistance at the levels of $26.326, which seems to be an immediate resistance for silver futures, and the next resistance will be at the 26 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $26.657, and the next resistance will be at the upper end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of $27.525. So friends, here I find that if the silver futures are not able to breach the immediate resistance, we could see the silver to continue to find support at the 9 days moving average. Here I find that if the silver futures sustain above the levels of $26 during the first two trading sessions of the upcoming week, we'll see a breakout in silver futures because this crossover seems to be turning into a bullish crossover during the first two trading sessions of the upcoming week, when the 9 days moving average could try to crossover above the 26 days moving average. If the silver futures sustain above the levels of $26, this bullish crossover will see a complete move when the silver futures could try to test next resistance at the lower end of Ichimoku cloud, which is currently at the levels of 27. So friends, here I find that a breakout above the immediate resistance of $26.685 could push the silver futures towards the next resistance at $27.8279. Silver futures tried to test the levels of 28.5, but here I find that if silver futures start the upcoming week below the levels of 25.864, we could find a steep downward move in silver futures when the silver futures once again could test the levels of 24.843, and the final support can be seen at the levels of 24.361, from where we can expect a bouncing move in silver futures. Friends, here you can see that how the silver futures are still maintaining above the 9 days moving average, which could encourage bulls to move upward above the upper end of HM cloud, where a sustained move above the levels of 27.876 could sustain this rally up to the levels of 29. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.